evening everyone. I am Eloisa May Flores, a student from BSN English 1A. So for tonight's topic, we're gonna tackle about how global illiteracy and how multicultural illiteracy. And lastly, how global illiteracy and multicultural illiteracy are interconnected. So you guys wanna know it? Okay. Literacy is the ability to read and write. Rapid change has faced information technology and communication world in the last 2 decades of the new type of illiteracy. Failure to comply with the growth of the doctrine of technology on the one hand and lack of attention to retaining and learning. So as you can see that technology has a big part in our life right now. Traditional methods, educational structures, policies and governing policies, and implementation objectives, governings. This issue is a cultural phenomenon. No longer massive volume of demand for education is not responsive and necessary than if the government is faced with this problem, how can the different sectors of society with the transformation of the educational need? It is important that policy that literacy is part of the culture of each country have formulated these policies, which uses different parts of culture and cultural diversity of the lands is written and the synergies necessary for the growth of literacy in society and move towards balanced development to a cure and culture of disease caused by the global growth of literacy and lack of coordination with different cultures prevent these teachings. What is global illiteracy? Global literacy aims to address issues of globalization, racism, diversity, and social justice. It requires awareness and action, consistent with the broad understanding of humanity, the planet, and the impact of human decision on both. Global literacy also aims to empower students with knowledge and take action to make a positive impact in the world and their local community. And according to Ontario Ministry of Education 2015, a global citizen should display most or all of the following characteristics: respect for humans no matter their race, gender, religion, or political perspective. Respect for diversity in various perspectives. Promoting sustainable patterns of living, consumptions, and production. Last, appreciate the natural world and demonstrate respectful towards right and all of the living things. Whatever the outcome, one thing seems certain. To understand how globalization might affect our lives, we will need a form of literacy that goes beyond simple interpretation to reflection on the social significance of acts of meaning. Literacy must be enable one to decide whose meanings are voiced in which acts of semiosis and for whose benefit. Multicultural literacy consists of the skills and ability to identify the creators of knowledge and their interests, to uncover the assumptions of knowledge, to view knowledge from diverse ethnic, cultural perspective, and to use knowledge to guide action that will create humane and just world. It's important to realize that the resolution of this contradiction does not lie in a simplistic choice between truth and falsehood. Rather, what we are witnessing is the deployment of language in a struggle to control the very picture of reality. Multicultural literacy then brings attention to diversity, equity, and social justice to foster cultural awareness by addressing difficult issues like discrimination and oppression towards other ethnicities. According to VOTE, education for multicultural literacy should help students to develop the 21st century skills and attitude that are needed to become active citizens who will work towards achieving social justice within our communities. Because of the growing racial, language, and ethnic diversity in our country, multicultural literacy needs to be transformed in substantial ways to prepare students to function effectively in 21st century. By making small changes within the classrooms, it can create big changes globally. As diversity grows, there is a need for the emergence of multicultural education that is more representative of the students in today's classrooms. By teaching students to be advocate for multiculturalism, we are also sending a message of empathy and tolerance in school as a need to develop deeper understanding of others and appreciation of different cultures. With this being said, in order for a student to develop these attitudes and skills, it requires basic knowledge prior to teaching students how to question assumptions about cultural knowledge and how to critique and critically think about these important cultural issues, which is what essentially makes multicultural literacy a 21st century literacy. Multicultural literacy and globalization in literacy. How are multicultural literacy and global literacy interconnected? Every classroom contains students of different race, religion, and cultural groups. Students embrace diverse behaviors, cultural values, patterns of practice, and communication. Yet, they all share one commonality, their educational opportunity. Teachers should teach their students that other cultures exist and that this deserves to be acknowledged and respected. As classrooms become increasingly more diverse, it is important for educators to acknowledge and address diversity issues and to integrate multiculturalism information into the classroom. Thank you for watching and listening to this topic.